Want to take it off her face now? Peekaboo. She can't see, it's over her eyes. There. Oh, she took it off. She took it off. I don't think Bree wants to play that game anymore. No. No more. Let's put the cloth back in the kitchen sink. Okay? Put it back. Put it back in the kitchen sink. No, over here, honey. Over in the sink. Yeah. Good girl. Thank you. Thank you. No, put it back. Up high. Throw it in. Throw it like a ball. Throw it like a ball. Like a ball. Throw it like a ball. No, we don't have to wash the floor. Throw the cloth like a ball. Up. Throw it in. Good girl. Good girl.